Welcome to our new follow-up video series, Conquer CompTIA A Core 1, your accelerated success blueprint. Are you an IT student, career changer, or help desk professional ready to elevate your tech skills? Imagine this: your manager says, "Welcome aboard. You have 60 days to pass A+. Certify by the end of month 2. This guide is your definitive roadmap to not just pass, but master the CompTIA A Core 1, 220-1201 exam, transforming you into a confident IT professional." Understanding your exam essentials. The CompTIA A Core 1 exam features multiple choice and performance-based questions, PBQs. You'll have about 90 minutes to tackle up to 90 questions. Key domains include hardware, networking, mobile devices, virtualization, and cloud, and hardware/network troubleshooting. To start strong, download the official CompTIA 220-1201 exam objectives PDF. This document is your master checklist, guiding every step of your study journey. It ensures you cover all necessary topics for success. Crafting your study blueprint. Success comes from a consistent, structured approach. We offer two powerful plans: a 30-day accelerated sprint or a more relaxed 60-day standard pace. Both emphasize daily engagement and active learning. Your daily rhythm should include 90 to 120 minutes of focused study. Dedicate 30 to 40 minutes to learning new concepts, perhaps with Professor Messer videos. Follow this with 20 to 30 minutes of hands-on lab practice or simulations. Integrate active recall for 10 to 15 minutes, explaining concepts aloud, Feynman technique, and reviewing on key/SRS cards. Conclude with 20 to 30 minutes of targeted practice questions, always reviewing rationales for both correct and incorrect answers. The 30-day accelerated plan. This plan is for those ready to commit intensely, 6 days a week. Week 1 focuses on hardware foundations, including motherboards, RAM, and storage. Labs involve identifying components and installation. Week 2 dives into networking and mobile devices, covering cables, IP, and Wi-Fi standards. Practice with ipconfig and Wi-Fi setup. Week 3 tackles virtualization and cloud, plus troubleshooting methodology. Build a VirtualBox VM and create a troubleshooting checklist. Week 4 is dedicated to deep dive troubleshooting, PBQs, and full practice tests. Simulate real-world issues like no-boot scenarios. The final 3 days are for cramming key facts and light drilling before your exam. The 60-day standard plan. For a more thorough understanding, the 60-day plan offers a slower, deeper dive. Weeks 1 to 2 cover hardware, including printers and peripherals, with more lab repetitions. Weeks 3 to 4 focus on networking and mobile devices, with extra subnetting practice and SOHO security. Week 5 explores virtualization and cloud, introducing CLI basics and hypervisor features. Week 6 refines your troubleshooting methodology, building step-by-step triage flows. Weeks 7 to 8 are for comprehensive review, PBQs, and full-length practice exams, ensuring you're fully prepared. Mastering your progress with a study tracker. A robust study tracker is crucial for staying organized and confident. Use Notion or Google Sheets to build your personalized tracker. Include columns for objective ID, topic, priority, resources, lab task, status, confidence, and review dates. Create different views, like a board by status or a table filtered by domain. This allows you to visualize your progress and identify weak areas. Track metrics weekly, such as practice average, PBQ completion rate, and your count of week objectives. Hands-on learning with a lab kit. Practical experience is invaluable for A+. Set up a virtualization environment using VirtualBox or VMware Workstation Player. Install Windows and Linux ISOs to practice VM builds and networking. For networking, configure 2 VMs on an internal network and explore router admin interfaces. Practice with free protocol analyzers. For hardware, use teardown videos and vendor docs to identify components. Simulate printer installations and shared printers in your VMs. Active recall and memory anchors. Solidify your knowledge with active recall and memory anchors. Memorize common ports like 2021, FTP, 22, SSH, 80, HTTP, and 443, HTTPS. Understand RAID basics: 0, speed, 1, redundancy, 5, balance, and 10, performance plus redundancy. Familiarize yourself with Wi-Fi standards: 802.11a/b/g/n/ac/ax, and cable types: Cat5e/6, fiber. Know essential tools like multimeters, tone generators, and command line utilities such as ipconfig, ping, and netstat. Practice makes perfect, your PBQ strategy. Consistent practice is key. Daily, answer 10 to 20 focused questions tied to your current objectives. Weekly, dedicate a block to PBQ practice, tackling scenarios like cable matching or IP configurations. Take full-length practice exams at key milestones, a short baseline test early on, a midpoint exam, and 2 to 3 full tests in your final week. Always review every rationale, even for correct answers, and create flashcards for any concepts you struggled with. Leveraging high-quality resources. Utilize a blend of free and paid resources. Professor Messer offers excellent free Core 1 videos and study groups. The official CompTIA Exam Objectives PDF is your non-negotiable master checklist. Invest in reputable practice exams from sources like MeasureUp or Jason Dion. Supplement with vendor documentation for realistic troubleshooting scenarios. Always avoid brain dumps, they hinder true skill development and are unethical. Exam readiness and logistics. You're ready when you consistently score 80% plus on reputable practice exams. You should be able to explain your PBQ approach and teach back major topics in 60 to 90 seconds. Your list of week objectives should be minimal and shrinking. On exam day, choose a test center for a stable environment. Arrive early with valid ID. Prioritize a good night's sleep. During the exam, tackle quick wins first, flag time-consuming questions, and approach PBQs with a calm, methodical checklist. Your next step to A+ certification. This structured plan, combined with your dedication, will lead you to CompTIA A+ Core 1 success. We've provided a download pack with objective mapping, tracker templates, and a day 1 to 7 checklist to get you started. Now, it's your turn. Download the resources, set up your tracker, and comment below with your day 7 baseline practice score. Let's fine-tune your plan together and get you certified.